Hello, these are the instructions on how to operate the small space heaters located at 4920 Shasta Drive. The space heaters you want to keep on the floor in an area where furniture is not less than a foot near it. A good space like this is a good location for the heater. To turn the heater on, you first need to find the remote, which is located in the bedroom or the room of the heater. To turn the power on, you hit the power button. A couple notes: in order for the temperature to regulate itself, the heater has a temperature control setting. It must be set on high. What we want to do next is simply find the temperature that we wish to have the heater on. And we also want to make sure that the heater is oscillating, which is this button here. Once you hit that button, you notice the heater starts turning, which will make the room a bit more comfortable. In order to change the settings on the heater, you simply grab the remote, and the plus or minus buttons control the temperature setting that you want the room to be at. For instance, if I go down to 68, 67, or I can turn it back up to 69. Once the heater reaches the temperature you selected, it will shut off and wait for the temperature to regulate again.